From an operations perspective, this integration will enhance our abilities greatly to serve really customers of all industries, but if we focus specifically on aerospace and defense, that's probably the highest target market for additive as a whole. Not just for ADDMAN, but probably for additive as a whole. And I think the reason behind that is we continue to see challenges in the world landscape, right? You look at things that are going on across the ocean. Not good things that we as a country need to make sure we have the proper deterrents in place to make sure that those types of challenges don't enter our shores. So aerospace and defense is ripe for leveraging new technologies like additive. And niobium C103 is a great example of that, right? It can be a key catalyst for us to be able to arm our warfighters with technologies that was never feasible prior to our ability to print it. And I think when you look at the integration, the core behind that is the development and the maturity of the materials in the initial development units for phase testing. These things usually have a long runway. You do that, and then you sit and wait for 18 to 24 months before you get to the point to where that customer says, hey, this is great. This passed all of our requirements and we are ready to go, and we want to go tomorrow. Which can be a challenge with the capital investment required for equipment of this nature. So we have our Thousand Oaks team doing the best work in the industry related to developing these novel materials and these solutions. And the integration comes in when that customer says, now we're ready to go. KAM has built itself off of our abilities to scale production at a very fast pace. And with the backing of ADDMAN, and understanding the investment strategies required in order to be able to scale to that, it puts us in the position where we have the technical know-how, not just from the material technical know-how, but also the manufacturing engineering and process engineering technical know-how to be able to flip that switch just as quickly as our customer wants to. And I really don't think there's anyone else in the additive landscape right now that can say that they can cover both spectrums of that. Maybe they can, but they can't cover it well. And I think that's where the importance is of staying compartmentalized, but still unified in a manner of development, solution-focused approaches in Thousand Oaks, and scalable production approaches here in Statesville.